out plein air painting, the sun is just streaming down. The reflection on your painting is blinding you. You're getting a sunburn, and you're wishing you had an umbrella that would just save the day. So many of them are gigantic, they're unwieldy, they're difficult to carry along because you're already bringing everything but the kitchen sink, it seems. But there's a solution, and it's an incredible one. It's the SoHo Urban Artist UV painting umbrella. This little gizmo fits right in your French easel with it closed down. It comes in two parts, so it's easy to pack, but it extends up, giving you plenty of room, plenty of shade, and it gives you UV protection. It gives you reliable UV protection for you if you need it to shade yourself. It's got a reflective screen, so it's not going to get hot under there while you're painting. And it's even got the handy dandy baffles. So if you're getting a breeze, it's not going to take off with your entire painting getup along with you. So it offers you all the things that you need for painting in plein air, but in a little package that's super light, super easy to carry. It's got a full 42-inch diameter of painting protection. And it not only works on French easels, it can work on a chair at maybe if you go, to events, to a plein air, paint out, just wherever you need to go. It doesn't have to be just for painting. It can come along with you. The umbrella is extremely adjustable. It's got 13 different step positions with a push button. It's got a gooseneck for further adjustability. It can cover any angle that sun is coming at you and your artwork. So wherever you want to go, whether you're painting or not, let the SoHo Urban Artist UV umbrella provide you protection and reliability.